Welcome to nextvault. Today, we dive into a topic that is revolutionizing modern finance, decentralized finance, or DeFi. But what exactly is it? And why is everyone talking about it? Let me explain. What is decentralized finance, DeFi? DeFi is simply the decentralized version of traditional financial services. Instead of relying on banks or brokers, everything operates through blockchain technology, using smart contracts. These contracts are pieces of software that execute automatically when specific conditions are met, making transactions more transparent and secure. Why is DeFi so popular? There are many advantages. Accessibility. Anyone, anywhere in the world, can participate without needing a banking intermediary. Transparency. Transactions are public and verifiable on the blockchain. High yields. DeFi platforms often provide much better interest rates than traditional banks. How to use DeFi? Using DeFi is straightforward. Simply connect to a platform like Uniswap or Aave, and link your crypto wallet, e.g., MetaMask. Once you deposit your funds, you can lend crypto, swap tokens, or even borrow money, all without involving a bank. The processes are faster, more transparent, and fees are often much lower. The risks of DeFi, of course, like any investment, DeFi is not without risks. Here's what to keep in mind. Cryptocurrency volatility. Digital assets can fluctuate rapidly in value. Rug pulls. Some platforms can be fraudulent. Always research before investing. Technical risks. Bugs in smart contracts or attacks can lead to losses. Conclusion: DeFi is booming and offers incredible opportunities. However, before diving in, make sure to do your research, understand the risks, and be strategic. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to nextvault for more content about the future of finance. See you soon, and remember, financial education is the first step toward independence.